You have
Right.
to give it a time to learn, to get a more comfortable with the trade, to learn everything that you need to get on the goal that you need. After those years, and then you're gonna see the big payouts. That's really life changes. So
Hi everyone, welcome to Forex League YouTube channel. My name is Honzino. I'm support for Forex League and you are about to watch another interview with one of our lifetime members. But before we go ahead, let me show you what is lifetime membership so you are going to understand what are we going to talk about. So this is our full course membership that includes rapid signals, two strategies, and funding. 4 weeks are swing strategy. That is what Nick is teaching on the trainings that we have with our members. And the second strategy is intraday that I am currently using and can help it to our members. And the funding. We can include funding to our membership because we own a pro firm which is currently leading in the industry. You can see more on the website, so definitely go and check more information there. So this is all about the membership, and let's go start the interview. I am here with another member. Hi, thank you for your time. How are you?
I'm doing good, and you?
Right,
Thank you
thanks,
for
thanks.
having me.
Great. All right, so let's get into it. So let's introduce yourself a little bit and tell us how and what brings you to trading.
My name is Danielson Lopes, and I'm 29 years old from Boston, and I'm trading like for 3 years experience, and I found out about trading like around 2015. And then I was like seeing a lot of people sharing like how easy trading is, but and then later on I found out it was not easy
Fake.
that how people was sharing, but
Yeah.
I like found a passion about the trading because I was like seeing how easy it was just did to work with the trader, just to buy and sell. But and then I found out, so before you buy and sell, you have to study a lot about the trading
That is a
and a
progress.
lot
Yeah.
about, yeah, what makes you to buy or to sell,
Right.
what you trading. Yes.
Yeah, yeah, not easy. So how did you, so you had already some experience before, right? How did you educate yourself before you joined Forex League?
On the demo account, so I had a lot of fails on the demo account. I was trying to make as much money as possible that I can, and I've tried the signals. I've tried to follow people's strategy, and it never worked to me. But right now, I'm trying to focus more on myself, to trust my analysis and my strategy to make money from the trading, and in the future to work with the trading like full time.
Right, yeah, definitely. Yeah, you're definitely doing the right thing to focus on yourself, especially if you want to do it like in long term, right? You don't want to really rely on someone else's signals and so on. Good. So how did you find out Forex League and why did you sign up?
First, I was on the YouTube, and then I saw the video from Blake,
Mm-hmm.
and he was sharing a lot of opportunity that we have right now with the prop firm. So I was like digging more, searching for more videos, and then I was researching more. When I found out about the TFT, I went to the Trust Pilot, who took the
Challenges,
challenge
yeah.
with them, or maybe who signed up with the TFT, what they were saying about this prop firm. And then I was seeing a lot of positive reviews and
Mhm.
recommendation. And then I tried. I
Right.
tried, and it's going good for me. I'm still here, working on my challenge, and I'm gonna pass my challenge really soon.
Yeah, so how did you, so I'm gonna put it in perspective for people who doesn't understand. So we have the pro firm, the funded trader. You find out about our pro firm, then find out about us, Forex League, who we are the founders, and that's how you join us. That's how was it, right?
Yes, yes.
Right, cool. All right. So when you join the our membership, did you get to the membership like the course and everything? Did you go through it? What do you think about that?
So yeah, so on the Forex League, you guys share a lot of experience, a lot of information that we need to trade, and then we just need to keep studying and following the rules for the trade, and you keep studying until
Yeah,
you get it.
definitely.
Yeah.
So there are two strategies in the course, the intraday and swing. What do you prefer? How do you trade?
I prefer more the intraday trader because I work a lot on. I have my job, so I do not have
Right.
like
Time to sit on the, yeah.
yeah, to sit
Yeah, yeah. So you
on the
prefer to like
computer.
stay on a chart, get in there, make some profit, it's not some trade and get off, right? Some people they prefer
Yeah.
to swing because they can set the alerts and everything, but I have to be on the phone sometimes, to see if the alert is executed or not. For you, it doesn't work, which is fine. So you prefer to before work or after work, sit on a chart, see what the setups are there, take some trades or not, and see. That makes sense. Yeah. That's
Yes.
great.
Yeah.
So, what about the community in Forex League? And when you join us, you saw the community, the members chat. How does it, how was it for you?
The community that you guys have on the Discord is very, very helpful. So you guys are always active. Even when you have a like basic question, you guys are there to answer that question. And we have you that you are always online and ready to help anybody. It doesn't matter what time.
Anytime.
What time we ask you, you always answer us. So
Always there.
that makes you feel like home and makes you feel that you have somebody to hold you back, to
Right.
help you like all the time.
Right, and that's my passion. I'm very happy. I'm glad that you can see that. So I'm always there, as you said, and that makes me happy. To be there for someone and support them, help them, and explain stuff and having talk. Again, like I'm also a trader. I'm very passionate about that. It's not a coincidence. I am where I am, and yeah, I'm trying to make the membership area like better place, as you said, like a home. That sounds very nice. Thank you. Yeah, doing my best. Yeah, thanks. Cool. So that was about the course. What about the signals? What's your like maybe general experience with the signals? Because I don't much like members doesn't like it or doesn't follow them that much because we have two strategies in the course. Are you following the signals now, or are you following? Are you like focusing on yourself?
Before I was following the signals, and then I realized that the signals was not working for me because every person has their own strategy.
Mhm.
So when they share their signals, it goes with their strategy. When I apply their signals to my strategy, it doesn't work. So I was trying to follow the signals for a long time, so it didn't work. So now I'm trying to focus more on my analysis and my strategy to
Right.
pass my check.
Yeah, that's definitely great point. That's how it is. Like even if someone will gives you the ATM strategy that really makes money, but you are not going to be able to execute on the strategy because you just don't understand. You don't have the psychology there. You don't know the risk
Exactly.
management, right, and so on. So definitely
And
the yeah.
and their strategy, it works for some people. It doesn't work for the other people. So
Right. Yeah,
you have to
definitely.
keep trying both to see which one it fits for you.
Exactly. 100%
Yeah.
agree with you. So then another and I think that the best benefits that our members get is the funding, right? So let's talk about the free funding you have as a member like every 30 days. So you are excited, I see. So let's talk
Yeah.
about it. What is
Yeah,
that about?
that's really life changes. So how cheap it is to pay like just $4.99 to get a $10,000 account. So you're risking like $5 to get $10,000. Imagine if you put your own $10,000, you are risking a $10,000.
Yeah.
And with the TFT, you are risking just $5 to get opportunity to get a $10,000. And then when you pass that challenge, you get all the $5 that you
Yes.
already risked. Like let's say for 1 year, you can get like in 1 day or 2 days.
Right,
If you
exactly.
keep being consistent.
Right. So let's explain to people who doesn't understand what is the process of the free funding and then next steps.
So they give you a 30-day or 35 day to
35.
make a 10% of the $10,000, and then you have 8% daily loss.
Mm-hmm.
And if I'm not wrong, then 10% for the total
Nice drawdown. Yeah.
drawdown. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Cool.
you have a lot of opportunity, like on the 35 days that you have. So it just
Yeah.
keep
Some.
going to make as much as money as possible to pass the challenge very quick, and then you will fall for it.
Yeah. Right.
Because
Exactly.
because the trading is not like that. So a lot of people try to get rich in one day or maybe 2 days or 1 week, but it doesn't work like that. You have to
Doesn't
be
work like that.
consistent every single day. You can compare it to your job. When you go to your job, you make let's say $100 per day, or maybe $80 or $200, but you don't make all that money in one day. You have to be
Mm-hmm.
there every single day. By the end of the month, you have all those monies that you keep compounding every day. So you
Exactly.
have to
Nice.
put that mindset on the trade. It
That's a great
works.
example. Yeah, that's a great
Yeah.
example. Easy example. Exactly. Now that's how the people should think. Yeah. Every day, little by little, and it's going to, add it up. And at the end of the month, you got the salary, right?
And
Awesome.
then
That's a nice
you
example.
have to create your own rules, and then please make sure follow your own your follow your rules. I see a lot of trades, they share the rules, but they never follow the rules. That's why they will never be profitable,
Right.
because I was one of that. I create my own rules, but I never followed my rules, and I
Yeah.
saw they it doesn't work like that.
Right. So you just passed the free Forex League challenge, and now you are going to get the standard challenge phase one. So good luck with
Yeah,
that. Good luck with
yeah,
that.
thank you, thank you.
I know
I hope.
the funny trader now, they're making great content about the statistics. So the
Yeah.
phase one, who got the phase one, people blow the account in first week. Don't be one of them. Take your
I
time,
know.
as you
I
said,
will try.
little by
I'm gonna
little.
follow my rules. I'm gonna be consistent. Like make 1% a day, or maybe if I didn't get opportunity to get 1% a day, I will get a half one
Yeah,
of 1%.
right.
But I will always survive for the next day to
Mhm.
get opportunity to get more money.
Exactly. So let's talk about the psychology a little bit. How do you educate yourself about psychology, how to be consistent, how to have a right mindset? Are you listening some podcasts, reading books,
Yeah.
community
So
maybe?
yeah, you have to listen to the professionals trader, people that has been in this career longer than you, to see what mistakes they made, so you cannot follow for the same mistakes. People can join the webinars that TFT offers on their platform. So
Mhm.
you have a lot of people, they share a lot of experience, so you can keep listen to that until you get that same mindset
Yeah.
to be profitable.
So now you pass the free challenge. Now you get the standard, the funding. How is the psychology different from from the free challenge? And
So right now with the challenge, I try to be more selective. Like, I don't want to be on the trade every time that I'm on the charts. I'm not getting the trade right away. So I have to wait for the right moment to see my strategy and my analysis to get in the trade, because I don't want to lose that account.
how
Yeah.
does it feel? How does it feel now when you enter the trade? You're getting more nervous than on the free challenge?
No, because before when I get in the trade, I got nervous because I was use a big lot size. I see that I need to reduce my lot size to compound my account by the end of the month, or by the end of the
Exactly.
35 days. I can pass my challenge. So
Exactly. That's great.
now
That's great approach.
I'm not afraid about the trade. So I
Right,
just
right.
need to
That's
follow my
great.
rules.
Yeah, that's how
And
it
then
should be.
if you use like a 1 to 2,
Reward ratio.
yeah, the ratio. So yeah, so it just you need like to lose 4 trade, or maybe if you lose 3 or 5 trade on the 51, if you make that money, it will cover all the loss that you took on those
Yeah,
trades.
exactly.
That's
Just
why I don't feel afraid anymore.
That's great. Great approach. This is something we explain also on webinars, right? When you get scared of entering trade, that's probably because you are risking too much. HSO is making small smaller, so you wouldn't get attached to the trade that much, make it easier on your mind. And again, over time, especially you, also me, we are intraday traders. We have so many opportunities during the day, week, month. So it's easier for us if you have like a losing strike. We can hit 1, 2 trades and we get everything back. Plus
Exactly.
profit. So that's great. Cool. Well, that's great approach. If you pass the phase 1, get to the phase 2, you got funded, what will be your next plan after you get funded? Are you going to trade on a funded account, or are you going to get more funded accounts, maybe scale, maybe like merge the funded accounts, make one big funded and then trade to make a little bit bigger payout?
Yeah. That's my plan. Yeah, to scale, like to get the one challenge. It gives me more confidence to get to a big size account,
Right.
to pass those challenge, and then to merge all those accounts, so to scale up. So by the end of the month or so, I have like a big account size, and then
Right.
I have more room to risk, and then I have more room to make more profit.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely. Yeah. This is also my goal, to make big account. You can, once you get a funded account, it might be even like easier on your mind because there is no target, right? So if you are not
Yeah.
pressuring yourself, you have a right mindset. All you need to do is to make maybe 5 to 10% a month, with lower lot size, to stay safe, and really think about not you want to make a lot of money and be rich, but really about how much you need for living. Like realistically, you don't need like 10K, 15K a month for a living. Of course, I don't believe that,
I know.
but
I know.
get what you're making now consistently, so it can replace your full-time job. You can
My
focus on the
full-time job.
trading
Yeah.
much more, and over time you're going to scale the accounts, and over time, yeah, you are going to make 50, 1,000 a month, maybe, on a
Exactly.
horizon, but over the time. So that's the goal. And there are so many, kind of like a strategies how to go around the free funding and funding. You can get, as I mentioned, right, you can keep passing the free challenge, get funded multiple times, and then
And
focus on a funded account and get a little bigger payouts.
I see a lot of people rushing when they get in the trade to be a millionaire, like 1 year or maybe 2 years. But when I compare to the people that goes to the school for 4 years, and then to get their bachelor's, and maybe after that, and they spend like 4 years, 8 years, you don't make no
Exactly.
money. You don't make no money. And then when you come to work for the company, they don't pay you the money that you are supposed to receive. With the experience that you get after when you get a job after those years, and then you're gonna see the big payouts.
Yeah.
So when you come to trade, you wanna make a big amount every month after three months to pass the challenge to make those monies. So you have to compare with the people that goes to school. It's the same thing. You have
Right.
to give it a time to learn, to get a more comfortable with the trade, to learn everything that you need to get on the goal that you need in the future.
Yeah, I agree. I wanted to like mention something, like especially you, like if you have or people who has a full-time job, they really try to make it in trading, but they should realize they still have a income, monthly income. So they don't
Yeah.
really need to rush to necessarily make money as soon as possible, because they still having income every month. People who doesn't have the job, they really rely on trading. It puts a little bit more pressure on them because they have to make money on trading. You know what I
Exactly.
mean?
Exactly.
So it's also something that people should realize. Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't help you at all. It doesn't
Yeah.
help you at all. You should come to the trade to invest your money like step by step and slowly. Do not
Visible.
rush to be a millionaire in a short time.
Right.
Yeah, that's the key for the trade.
Definitely. All right. Well, so last question. What would be the message or advice for people who are trying to learn how to trade, and the people who are trying to maybe thinking to join us? What would be the message?
I would say like get as much as information that you need, and then when you come to this company, do not like think they when you pay to get in on this community, don't think like anybody owns you like nothing. So it's all's gonna be on you. So all's gonna depend on how much you put in to this career.
Right.
Because if every day you put like a 1 hour or maybe 2 hours, maybe it's not enough. You have to find a passion for this to go all in to get it back, and
Nice.
then to be as much constantly online, talking with the people, asking for questions, and ask people that has
Right.
more experience than you to help you out with something. You will be there. You will be there.
Yeah,
Maybe
that's
maybe it's not in 1 year, not in 2 years, but one day you're gonna be there. If you
exactly.
have a passion about it, you will be there.
Definitely. I love this answer, this message. It was excellent that what you pointed out, right? If you get in, you get our membership, don't expect that we are going to teach you. You get the strategy, you are the course, but you are
Exactly.
the one who has to put in, study hard, backtesting, journaling, do as much as you can. And as you mentioned, right, a second point, be interactive, be active, ask questions, speak up,
Active all
reach
the
for the
time.
help, because as you mentioned previously, I'm there all the time. We have 2 webinars a week with members where you can get in, speak up, hey guys, this is, or if for, as you mentioned, like you are working full time, you can't make it on a webinar, you have the chat, right? Message in the chat, ask questions, because you are a member. You don't have to take weeks or months to figure it out how to
Mhm.
handle each situations. You can just speak up,
Exactly.
ask, hey guys, I have this psychological issue, I have this risk management issue, like, or how do you handle this situation, that and you get the answer. Advices for other people that something works for them, it doesn't, you can't figure out, but they already have the answer. You get the answer and you can choose, okay, this works for you, this works for you, let me try, let me figure it out for myself. And this is how the membership really works. Be communicative and ask questions, be curious, ask questions, how to figure it out, this and that. And this is the place where we can really give you the guidance and answers.
You have to realize that when you come to the forex, if you don't have any knowledge about it, it's something new. So you never heard about it. It's like learning ABC from the beginning.
Yes, it's
Yeah,
a new
you have to be
language.
step by step every day.
New
You have
language, yeah.
exactly, yeah. But it's possible. It's possible
Right.
to get profit.
All right. Well, that was excellent interview. I love your answers, and I hope it will be helpful for many people. So thank you for your time. Thank you for being here, and yeah, good luck with your challenge now.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it for having me.
Thank you.
Have a good
Bye.
night. Okay, bye bye.